CDA, California Dentist Association. In Convention Center, is that a dentist? Is she a dentist? Is she a hygienist? Is that a dentist? Is that the assistant? Is the RDA? RDH? Dentist? Is that a dentist? Dental assistant? Manager? Manager? Representative? Henry Schein representative? Patterson representative? Dental chair? Dental chair? Oh. Dentist? Hygienist? RDH? RDA? What are all these women doing? Doing over there? Oriental Asian women waiting for toothbrush. But you have to watch a video. A video at CDA. Dentist, women, Asian, hygienist, RDA.